Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and DRT Junior College. Let's start by our subject English. Today we are going to complete by our brainstorming activity of the test book. Those questions are not mentioned in this video are your homework. You have to do in your online assignment book, that is your English notebook. Those I am giving, that also you have to do, but those who are not there, those who are missing, that you have to do in your notebook as your homework. So let's start by our third chapter, that is the COP and the anthem, written by O. Henry, brainstorming activities. Sophie took a stone because. Why he has taken a stone? So Sophie took stone because he wanted to throw it on the glass of the shop window to caught the attention of the cop. So the cop may put him in prison. See student, here the spelling mistake has been done, a typing mistake. Through THROUGH, through, it is throw THROW, and cat, it has been written cat, a slight mistake it is there. Okay, glass of the shop window to caught the attention, CAUGHT, caught the attention of the cop. So the cop may put him in prison. Second, Sophie was angry because though he was doing wrong act, for that cop should arrest him, but each time he was excused. Whenever he was doing something wrong, he was excused. As for wrong act, we have to be got punishment, but here the thing was opposing. Whatever he was doing, he was not getting the punishment, so he was very upset, or he was very angry. Moving further, describe the end of the story in your own words. Sophie was keen to be sent to prison for the 3 cold months. He made several attempts to get arrested, but none of his plan worked. Finally, when he decided to live a decent life honestly, he was arrested. Such an episode is ironical. Here, this is not compulsory answer. Your answer will be in your own words. If you want to write this answer, you can go by that. If you want to write much better one, you can go by that also. As our question is, describe the end of the story in your own words, right? So you can write in your own words. Moving further to the next question, describe the wonderful change in Sophie's soul. The sight of the home where Sophie had spent his childhood suddenly changed his outlook. The old memories of his mother and the sweet music revived his love for a decent life. He decided to work and become somebody in life. Moving further to the next question. Here that was a textual question. Now starting by the brainstorming activity question A1. First one. Discuss with your partner and find out the different ways in which Sophie tried to get arrested. The first one is given to you. Tried to enter a luxurious cafe. That was the wrong thing what Sophie had done, only because that he want to get arrested. Okay, so likewise more 3 we have to write. More 3 incidents we have to show that he has tried to arrest himself for that what he has done. So Sophie broke the window glass of a shop and stood there in anticipation that the cop will suspect him and arrest him. Third, he went in a budget restaurant and at one of the tables he sat and consumed beef stick, flapjacks, donuts and pie. Last one, in a cigar store, he saw a well-dressed man lighting a cigar at a swinging light his silk umbrella he had set by the door on entering. Sophie stepped inside, secured the umbrella, and started off with it slowly. Moving further, A12. Describe the atmosphere when Sophie reached near the church. How was the atmosphere? First one is done for us. A soft light glowed through the violet stained window. More three we have to do. There drifted out to Sophie's ears sweet music that caught and held him transfixed against the convolution of the iron fence. Third one, the moon was above, lustrous and serene. Vehicles and pedestrians were few. Sparrow tweeted sleepily in the air for a little, while the scene might have been a country churchyard, and the anthem that the organist played cemented Sophie to the iron fence. Last one, for he had known it well in the days when his life contained such things as murder and roses and ambition and friends and immaculate thoughts and colors. Moving further to the next, read the story and match the incidents given in column A with the consequences given in column B. Now see, column A and column B is given. I hope the slide is visible to you people. Sophie tried to enter a cafe. Sophie broke a glass window. Two waiters pitched Sophie on the polished pavement. Sophie heard the anthem being played in the church. Cop arrested Sophie for hanging around. Column B, the cop ran after another man. Suddenly a wonderful change came in his heart. Dream of turning around in life was shattered. He stood up slowly, beating the dust from his clothes. Strong and ready hands of the head waiter turned him round. Now we have to match. Sophie tried to enter a cafe. Now what was the consequence of this? Let's see. Strongly and ready hands of the head waiter turned him around. Sophie broke a glass window. Answer, the cop ran after another man. Instead of catching Sophie, the cop ran after another person. Two waiters pitched Sophie on the polished pavement. What is the answer? Consequence, he stood up slowly, beating the dust from his clothes. Sophie heard the anthem being played in the church. Suddenly a wonderful change came in his heart. See, the spelling mistake is there of wonderful. R is missing. Fifth, cop arrests Sophie for hanging around. Answer, dream of turning around in life was shattered when cop arrested him. At the time, the dream of living the life, the dream of turning around in life was shattered. Next, moving to the next. Give reason and complete the following. Sentence is given. You have to complete a sentence. Sophie had confidence in himself because dash. The head waiter of the luxurious cafe did not allow Sophie to enter because dash. The cop did not arrest Sophie for breaking the glass window because. The cop did not arrest Sophie for shouting and dancing because. Now here what Sophie has done. So why the thing were against him? That we have to mention. Sophie had confidence in himself because. Why he was having confidence in himself? Because he was shaven and his coat was decent and his neat black ready tied 4-in-hand had been presented to him by a lady missionary on Thanksgiving Day. If he could reach a table in the restaurant, unsuspected success would be his. Second one, the head waiter of the luxurious cafe did not allow Sophie to enter because. Why the waiter has not allowed Sophie to enter the luxurious cafe? What was the reason? Because his frayed trousers and decayed shoes. Third, the cop did not arrest Sophie for breaking the glass window because. The policeman mind refused to accept Sophie even as a clue. Man who smashed windows do not remain to parley with the law's minions. Fourth, the cop did not arrest Sophie for shouting and dancing because there was a celebration going on by students of Hartford College. Cops were instructed to leave them when Sophie shouted like a drunkard. The cop thought Sophie as a college student and turned his back. Now the situation was against Sophie. That was the reason that the cop didn't caught Sophie. Whatever he was thinking that if I will do this thing, so I may be caught by the police. But the situation was not against, going against. He has made a situation that the situation should be against him. But actually what happened, situation was not against him. That was the reason that cop didn't caught him or arrested him. Next, pick out the lines from the textbook which shows that Sophie wants to enter the cafe for two reasons. What was the reason that he want to enter in the cafe? You have to provide two reasons. Sophie was afraid that he won't be able to enter the prison. Sophie was not caught by the cop for throwing stone at the glass. Sophie actually did not want the umbrella. Listening to the anthem, Sophie remembered his good old days. Now see here A, Sophie wants to enter the cafe for two reasons. What was the two reasons that he want to enter in the cafe? The very first one is he was shaven and his coat was decent. Second, his neat black ready tied 4-in-hand had been presented to him by a lady missionary on Thanksgiving Day. These were the two reasons that he want to enter in the cafe. Second one, Sophie was afraid that he won't be able to enter the prison. Sophie turned off Broadway. It seemed that his route to the coveted island was not to be an easy one. Some other way of entering the limbo must be devised. Third, Sophie was not caught by the cop for throwing stone at a glass. The police mind refused to accept Sophie even as a clue. Men who smash windows do not remain to parley with the law's minion. They take to their heels. Sophie actually did not want the umbrella. He hurled the umbrella worthfully into an excavation. And the last one, listening to the anthem, Sophie remembered his good old days. And the anthem that the organist played cemented Sophie to the iron fence, for he had known it well in the days when his life contained such things as mothers and roses and ambitions and friends and immaculate thoughts and callers. Next, fourth one, he would make a man of himself again. The word man in the statement means, sentence means. So the word man in the sentence means a normal gentleman. Moving further, Sophie's earlier life was much different from his present life. Complete the table to show this contrast. One is done for you. Earlier life, see the column has been made. Two columns are there. Earlier life and present life. Earlier life contained friends and roses. Present life is unworthy desires. So likewise, you have to fill the column. See down, the answer is I have given to you. Immaculate thoughts and callers, that is earlier life, and ambitions. He was ambitious, full of ambitious life. Present life is work faculties and dead hopes. Whatever hopes are there, it is completely dead. Moving further, you can also write likewise. Contain friend and roses, eager ambitions, immaculate thoughts and callers. Present life, unworthy desires, dead hopes and degraded days, work faculties and base motives. Two answers are given to you. You can go by whatever you prefer. Moving further, after listening to the sweet and solemn organ notes, Sophie decide to what? Two dash are given to you. You have to fill it. Answer is also given to you. See, an intense and strong impulse moved him to battle with his desperate fate. B. He would pull himself out of the mire. He would make a man of himself again. He could conquer the evil that had taken possession of him. Moving further. A3, first one. O. Henry has used different words to indicate prison where Sophie wants to reach. Make a list of those words. For the word prison, in the chapter, many other words are used. So, what are they? That you have to jot down. So, the answer is the Winter Island, Limbo, Coveted Island. Second, find out the words used for the degraded state of Sophie. So, the words are dead hopes, unworthy desires, mire, evil that had enslaved him, the pit, disconsolate, turmoil. Third, the specific meaning of the word anthem in the content of the story is. In this context, it means a song that has the power to influence the thought process of a man or a motivating song. For example, anthem we know is our national anthem. Really, it is motivating. What kind of motivation it is? About national feeling, right? National anthem is creating national feeling in ourselves. So likewise, at that also in church when the anthem was going on, so there was another a kind of feeling in front of Sophie. He has just went in his old days, old good days. Moving further, A4. Convert the following sentences into negative without changing their meanings. Now see, be alert while solving these statements. The policeman refused to accept Sophie even as a clue. What you have to do? You have to convert the sentences into negative without changing their meaning. So, the policeman did not accept, refused. Instead of refuse, we are using the word did not. The policeman did not accept Sophie even as a clue. Second one, Sophie drifted along twice unsuccessful. Now, it is the very simplest one. See, the word unsuccessful. What is the opposite of unsuccessful? Successful, right? So, negative, Sophie drifted along twice, not successful. Sophie stopped his unavailing racket. Sophie did not continue. Stop, opposite, continue. So, did not continue his unavailing racket. The island seemed very far away. The island seemed not at all near. Far away, opposite word is near. So, the island seemed not at all near. The island seemed an unattainable Arcadia. The island seemed Arcadia that was not attainable. Convert the following sentences into affirmative without changing their meaning. Affirmative means positive sentences. Man who smashed windows did not remain to chat with the police. Man who smashed windows refrained to chat with the police. Refrain is a positive word. Do not. Instead of do not, we have used the word refrain. Why don't you call a cop? Please call a cop. On the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretensions. On the opposite side of the street there was an ordinary restaurant. D. Noisy but no harm. Noisy but harmless. They seemed to regard him as a king who could do no wrong. They seemed to regard him as a long who was always correct. Now here, if you have concentrated on my line, see, I have used the word long. Instead of long, the word will be king. They seem to regard him as a king who was always correct. The word wrong, opposite word is correct. And here king, there is no opposite word. King will be king only. Okay. So it is just a typing mistake. Moving further, The cop and the anthem brainstorming activity A5. Forgiveness is often better than punishment. Write two paragraphs, one for and another against it. You have to write two paragraphs. One will be for the favor and one will be for the against. On what we have to write? Forgiveness. Forgiveness is often better than punishment. You don't have to give punishment at all time. You can forgive also to the criminal. That is the thing. You have to write two paragraphs. One will be for the against and one will be for the favor. Okay. So moving further, if someone hurt us and if we forgive them, they consider us coward and will try to attack some other time. That's why punishment is better than forgiveness. This is what favor or against? Yes, it is against. Their repeated torture can cause damage to mind or body. That's why punishment should be given to them that they can understand not to hurt anybody. Punishment is also a weapon or rule to change criminal or notorious attitude. It helps to control the behavior of one such person. Forgiveness for a long time make us passive or sometimes it make us negative. Let's move by the favor one. One of the inevitable things in life is that someone will do or say something to upset or hurt us. While forgiveness is a good way to overcome such hurts, forgiveness is a process in which victims' thoughts, feelings, and attitudes towards an offender transitions from negative, see the word negative, it is spelling mistake, to neutral or positive. Of the many ways people deal with transition, forgiveness is particularly effective. Forgiving means being vulnerable again, but by punishing, again see it is reprinted, but by punishing, victims may feel strengthened and sufficiently confident to risk being vulnerable one more time so they can forgive. Moving further, see the second one, A5 second, last question. You are the class representative and you have been asked by the principal to conduct an interview of a cop. Cop means police. Very good. Frame 8 to 10 questions with the help of the following points. Give introduction and conclusion. I hope this question is very easiest one and I hope you can do by your own self. But then too, just a helping hand I have given to you. Let's see. Just tell it, you can do much better than that. I'm really 100% sure that you are going to do much better from this kind of questions. Now see, the important points have been highlighted over here. Reasons for joining the department, why he has joined the department, special training what he has taken, developing the skill to identify and locate criminals, dealing with criminals, how the ways, the tactics they are using while dealing with criminals, achievement and awards, what kind of achievement he has done, what kind of awards he had there in his name. Okay, now moving further with our answer, how we have to start. Welcome sir. First question, how will you define the term police? Second question, what are the reasons behind joining the police department? Third question, what kind of special training have you attended? Fourth question, how do you know about criminals and their places? Fifth, what kind of guidance your department gives you? Next question, sixth one, which parameters do you use while dealing with criminals? That is the tactics. Okay. Next question, what things you experience while dealing with criminals? Next question, 8.1, what measures can be taken to stop the crime? Next question, that is the ninth one, What type of achievement or awards you get in this journey? See, all the questions are linked to what the helping points have been given to us. So there is nothing like that we have to think that what I have to write, what kind of question I have to ask to the police. Okay, whatever the helping points have been given to you, we have to take that only, and we have to make the sentence question, we have to say question from that words only. So it is the much easiest interview, I think. And the last question is, what message will you give to all of us? This is the easiest question, and in each and every interview we are asking to everyone, what message will you give to all of us? Now see students, in starting I have started by welcome sir. While we are writing interview, we are having an introduction paragraph also, so that is compulsory. Okay, I have not written in this, but you have to write down when you are writing in your notebook as well as in your exam. Introduction is compulsory. Okay, moving further. Thanks for coming. This is vote of thanks to the cop. Okay, you can write one more line also, that you have come from your busy schedule and you have came over here, and many more things you can write it down. Otherwise, in short, you can just say thanks for coming. Here we have completed by our brainstorming activity. Thank you so much for listening. Complete your books, complete your icebreakers and brainstorming activity in your book. I am going to check it once our college is going to start, or otherwise I will be calling you in batch wise and checking your English notebook. So don't be in a world of dream that college is not there, so book are not going to be checked. You are getting your hall ticket, so your book will be checked. Okay, so complete it on time. It should be not like that oh, I have not done my English work, now what happened. Okay, at the end moment it should not be happen. So better time to time complete your English notebook. Thank you so much. Stay at home.